Yeah, yeah, man, out here, I walk and there, I think, I say, I'm saying, yo, shit, kind of dark, but yeah, I already get the drift. Me, Renzo. Yeah, I think, I say, how come we, as Jamaicans, right? How come we know, the dancehall artists, them, how come we created the blueprint for so much other genre of music? You know what I mean? Afrobeat, even, um, Afrobeat, Reggaeton, Jamaican really get a blueprint for hip hop. All these things, bro, kind of hurt me, You know what I say? Yeah, so me there and I try to figure these things out and I say, how come, you know, we can't take back the world by storm again, you know? We can't talk about the Shabba them, you know what I say? We can't even talk about Beanie Man them, brother. You know what I mean? We could talk about Beanie Man, we could talk about, you know, the early, even, yo, bro, when me hear people talk, them call up Mad Cobra name, them call up Shabba name, them call up, even Super Cat, me, I look a bit younger, I never know, say them man that was so influential, you know, overseas, I say, enough man, brother. It's a lot of people, man, a lot of artists. So me just there and me I said to myself, say, you know, you understand me when I hear music I go there, so I really don't want it my thing, Yeah, so me the man, me there and me I said to myself, say, you understand me? You have to watch out here, Up on the road I walk, Yeah, me, myself, I say, yo, you know, me I try to figure out this thing. Oh, we can't get back to that space there. What we need to do different, you know? But when me say, the things when me know the little bit I know, I think these other genres, and somebody correct me if I'm wrong, holding the camera like this without a tripod, it should hurt your hands. Yeah, I feel like they invested heavily in their music. They invested heavily in their product. You understand what I'm saying? And that's the only way to really get to that level, you know? Because to be honest with you, bro, you need the machine behind you. You got to kind of be able to afford to fund the machine. You get what I'm saying? This is why you have these huge acts like, Bad Bunny and, you know what I mean? Even even when like, what's their name? What's his name? What's his name? Dan Omar and fuck, you to name sing Gasolina again, man. Oh my God. Yeah, when I remember his name, but you know, wanna tell me in the comment section, man. These things, man. Yeah, tell me in the comment section, you know what I mean? Like, what are what we as Jamaican artists need to do different? Dancehall artists, reggae artists, need to do for dominate the space. Because if it's talent, we got it, bro. I'm trying to get the light to shine in my face. Get away from here. It's dark. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. What we need to do. You get what I'm saying? We need to know what we need to do. It dark over here, so, Yeah, what you think we need to do? You understand? What do we need to do to actually dominate the space again? Dominate, what I mean, the US charts, what I mean? Dominate the African, dominate, dominate the dominate the the UK charts. Yeah, man, when we go all, bro, I remember growing up in America, brother. You know, the people, them, yo, Shabba Ranks. You know, bro, I remember that. You know what I mean? Me, you know, Jamaica, and the average Jamaican don't even know how much impact. I get dark right here, yo. But it is what it is. The the average Jamaican, right? The average Jamaican. Yo, damn, dark. Yeah, let me get to that. Yeah, the average Jamaican don't in Jamaica don't know the impact where reggae and dancehall have upon the impact reggae and dancehall have. You know what I mean? But to be honest with you, I feel like the youths them, I feel like the young youths them are them are learn and them are get it. And the older one them, a lot of them still not really understand the game. That's the sad part. You feel me? And a lot of them is big gatekeepers. You know what I mean? Them should have put them, you know. Them should have, you know, look out for them. Putting a hand around the man's shoulder, you heard? Yeah, them should have, you know what I mean? Look out for the youths them, you know what I mean? You understand me? Nobody not looking out for nobody. You heard? So that's what I'm talking about. You feel me? Like I feel like them should have do them thing there, you know? Um we need more ownership in the music, brother. Too much people are too much especially for the artists them. Be a producer, own man song and all them things. That don't make sense. You can't do your music and man own your music, bro. We have to get smarter and them things. You know what I mean? Lease or buy a beat. You get what I say? Or get a producer to make the beat and sell it outright. You understand me? You know, so you own your thing. You understand me? Build marketing, brother. You know what I mean? Marketing, bro. It's a lot of different strategy to do. You get what I'm saying? So I just a lot of these things that I talk about, you know. So yeah, man, I say people. Just like, share, subscribe. Don't know Renzo blacker than black. And I'm out.